Let's learn to create organization chart under 1 minute. The first thing which I'm going to do is to select the sample data, go to insert, click on the Smartart and select the preferred format from the hierarchy. Now the format has been created. Now simply copy and paste the data from here and then delete the empty spaces. Once you delete the empty spaces, you're left with the data which you copied and pasted. Now the other thing which we need to do is rearrange this based on the designations. Now VP is the top of the pyramid, so I kept it. To rearrange, we can use the tab button. One tab for the director, two tabs for the staff under him, and then you can continue with the same approach for the remaining directors. If you select one tab, then the directors moves to the under VP, and two tabs that staff whoever relevant will be moved under these directors. So similarly you can use it. Now you can go to the color, change color option and change the preferred color. Now your organization chart is ready. Thanks for watching.